Hi guys, I'm Megan.
I'm Brian.
And welcome to our channel,
The
Screaming
Screaming
Pugs. Okay guys, so today we are making Vetkoek.
aka deep fried bread.
It's basically what it says, deep fried bread. It's a traditional South African dish. You can eat with a number of fillings,
Jam.
curry, and other things.
Okay, let's start this whole complete disaster.
You will need the following ingredients: 1 kilogram of all-purpose flour, 10 milliliters of salt, 30 milliliters of sugar.
You'll also need 10 milliliters of instant dry yeast, 30 milliliters of cooking oil, 750 milliliters lukewarm water.
Firstly, you'll need to add the lukewarm water, instant dry yeast, and the sugar together. Mix it a little bit and let it stand for 15 minutes.
Sift the flour into a large mixing bowl and add the salt. Measure out the oil and put it aside for later.
So this is what you should have by now. So this is where the fun starts. Make a well in the middle of your dry ingredients and add all the wet ingredients to it. Then it's pretty simple from there. Start mixing.
We started mixing the ingredients by using a method known as cutting in. Basically, you cut the ingredients together until it's mixed well enough for kneading.
I enjoy making food. I love baking. But Brian, on the other hand, has never done this before. So when he started the kneading process, I actually showed him a video of how to do it. And the lady said, there's no wrong way of doing it. But I would like to disagree here.
So Megan told me it's gonna be easy and fun, but as soon as my hands touched that dough, I knew this is gonna be a disaster for me. Here's a pro tip from me: when your hands get sticky, just add some more flour.
As soon as the dough is ready, roll it into a ball and put it on a well-greased surface. Take plastic that's been lightly oiled and place it over it just to, protect it from bugs and stuff. And let it stand for about an hour.
1 hour later.
After your dough has risen to double its size, knead it flat again and start forming your Vetkoek.
You form the Vetkoek by rolling the dough into balls. The size doesn't really matter. You can make them small for a snack version, or you can make them huge for an entire meal. It really depends on you.
After forming your Vetkoek, now place them under plastic and let them rest for another 30 minutes. Now is the perfect time to start making your filling.
We decided to make a basic curry filling. We basically used oil, onion, garlic, minced meat, potatoes, and all our spices.
Making a curry is up to your own taste and what you have laying around. There is no wrong way in making a curry. You can go hot or you can go spicy, it's all up to you. But this is what we did.
Okay, after the 30 minutes, they are ready to be cooked. We preheated some oil on the stove, and we just took a little bit of the dough to drop it in to see if the oil is ready yet. The dough will start bubbling and float to the top when it's ready.
Now carefully add your vetkoek to the oil. Fry the vetkoek for 3 to 5 minutes on each side until golden brown. Adjust your oil so it doesn't get too hot or too cold.
And now all you have to do is cut your vetkoek open and add the filling.
Cheers.
Cheers. I like it.
Smakelijk. So you guys might have noticed we're wearing different clothes.
Someone had a hand on a microphone.
So basically what we said was the vetkoek was really soft and tasty and it was really easy to make.
The only problem is you can't really start at night and start making it then. You have to actually prepare for it way in advance.
Yeah, it takes a while. You can use the same recipe to make a bunch of other things like pizza, rolls, bread. It's very versatile, so if you can make this, you can make a lot of stuff.
I hope you guys enjoyed our first video.
Yeah, well done to us. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
And keep an eye open for the newest video coming soon. Bye.